Hello and welcome back to NC State Dendrology. I'm coming to you today from Umstead State Park in Wake County, North Carolina, so solidly in the Piedmont, and I'm in this bit of rich woods on part of the park. I've got beech trees around me, northern red oak, also white ash. So I'm here to talk today about Aesculus sylvatica. This is our Piedmont species of buckeye, called painted buckeye is the common name. And this is the reason I wanted to come out to make this video today is this is an amazing time to see this small tree or a large shrub. It is in flower right now, so you can see these flowers, and this is a tree that you sometimes don't notice. It blends into the landscape all around Umstead State Park, but right now, before everything is completely leafed out, really stands out. So it's a tree to look for this time of year. Painted buckeye, sylvatica means of the woods, and I'm standing here in this rich woods habitat. Buckeyes in general have very distinctive and easy to identify leaves. So they have opposite palmately compound leaves. So what do we mean by that? So first of all, these leaves are opposite. It's a compound leaf. So you can see I have 2 leaves per node. Here, and then I've got 2 at the next node, right? So opposite leaf arrangement. And then these are compound leaves, so that's a single stem that's made up of leaflets. And I will show you what we mean by palmately compound is this is the entire leaf, and then we have 5 leaflets that make up this leaf, and they're all joined at this central part. So they're radiating out from a single point, kind of like the palm of your hand. So that's where the word palmate comes from. And these leaflets are serrate, they're dark green, and I would describe them as obovate, but there's just not that many. As far as I know, there's no other palmately compound opposite woody plant in our flora. And so buckeye is a really interesting plant. The leaves are, or the fruits are these capsules. I don't have any with me, but they're a multi-seeded capsule, usually between 1 and 3 seeds per capsule, and they're fairly large and dark brown and shiny. So the word buckeye comes from how these were used in taxidermy, right, as the eyes on the buck. And these trees right now have these beautiful creamy yellow flowers. So these are held in racemes, maybe panicles, they're a little bit branched. These are tubular flowers. These are some of the first flowers and nectar that's available for hummingbirds in the early spring. So a really great wildlife plant that you can add to your garden. If you see sometimes where this species overlaps in geography with our red buckeye, Aesculus pavia, you'll see hybrids that have kind of peach colored flowers. I've seen that on the coastal plain, and I've also seen that in South Carolina in the upstate. So places where you have both species, they can hybridize and you'll see peach colored flowers. But Aesculus sylvatica is creamy yellow. Aesculus pavia, which is the coastal species, has red flowers. So, but it's often planted in the Piedmont for in a landscaping kind of setting because it's got such showy flowers. So Aesculus sylvatica, sylvatica meaning of the woods, painted buckeye, our Piedmont species of buckeye that forms these large shrubs or small trees. I've seen a few around here that are about 20 feet tall. And this is NC State Dendrology.